Ever wonder why some people seem to sleep soundly, while others toss and turn all night? This story reveals a secret to a peaceful night's sleep, and it all starts with honesty. Do you think it's important to be honest in friendships? Share your thoughts in the comments below. But what happens when honesty is forgotten? Let's see how this story unfolds. Stay tuned and like this video for more inspiring tales. A boy and a girl were playing together. The boy had a collection of marbles. The girl had some sweets with her. The boy told the girl that he would give her all his marbles in exchange for her sweets. The girl agreed. The boy kept the biggest and the most beautiful marble aside and gave the rest to the girl. The girl gave him all her sweets as she had promised. That night, the girl slept peacefully. But the boy couldn't sleep as he kept wondering if the girl had hidden some sweets from him the way he had hidden his best marble. Moral: if you don't give your 100% in